It has been more than 2 years since the world has been confronted with the COVID-19. The pandemic has caused massive devastation and loss, and still continue to today. The public health crisis in Asia and around the world are at a critical stage. More significantly, we can never be certain when this difficult circumstance will end. Up-to-date information and collaboration among health partners is a defense against the loss caused by COVID-19, especially for the medical personnel who are always at the front line. The International Nursing Conference integrated caring for the person with the COVID-19, other airborne transmission disease, and chronic diseases is a collaboration between 4 organizations: C. Sabarin Tila, Thai Race Course Institute of Nursing, TB-HIV Research Foundation, Institute of HIV Research and Innovation or IHRI, and BNH Hospital. C. Sabarin Tila, Thai Race Course Institute of Nursing developed from the Siam Red Cross Nursing School to the Thai Race Course Society Nursing School of Midwifery and Health. The institute was primarily established by His Majesty the King Washilawut or King Lama VI on 16 June 1914. It had been accounted to be the first institute in Thailand that launched the nursing curriculum. The institute has been operating for 108 years. The institute housing is chaired by Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakki Sirinthorn. The institute responds to the COVID-19 situation by engaging in the COVID vaccine service centers, providing health support to patients in home isolation and community isolation, participating in voluntary activities to support people that suffer from the COVID-19, and arranging academic conferences to update and share COVID-19 knowledge with the other health organizations. TB-HIV Research Foundation is a non-profit, non-governmental organization. Its aim is to eradicate tuberculosis, HIV, and other poverty-related illnesses with people for people. The objective is to engage individuals from all sectors to lessen the burden on people affected by TB, HIV, AIDS, and other poverty-related illnesses through epidemiology, biomedical research, social science, operational research, and the development of social innovations. During the COVID-19 outbreak, the Foundation educates people about the COVID-19, develop a training curriculum on enhancing internet literacy to safely respond to COVID-19 for the volunteer living with HIV. Institute of HIV Research and Innovation or IHRI, previously known as Prevention and Search, is a non-profit organization located in Bangkok, Thailand, with almost 2 decades of experience working in research and sexual health programs. The organization is recognized for its expertise both at the national and international level. The institute, together with civil society organizations and other non-governmental organizations, have established the Community-led COVID-19 Support Workforce, or COM-COVID-19. In 2021, COM-COVID-19 has been requested by the National Health Security Office and Department of Medical Sciences to expand its scope to provide quality COVID-19 care at home or in community. For majority of COVID-19 cases who had no to mild symptoms, This turned out to be Kanti's comprehensive, community-led COVID-19 service delivery model. IHRI has worked hand-in-hand with the community-led troop to bring COVID-19 testing and treatment to almost 30,000 people in Bangkok and its vicinity, 10% being non-Thai. The BNH Hospital was established in 1898 under a loyal patronage from the King Lama V and King Lama VI, and was one of the first international private hospitals in Thailand. BNH Hospital has reached 124th year of service in February 2022. Throughout the period of COVID-19 outbreak, BNH Hospital has strengthened its prevention measures for the safety of its patients and the medical professionals. BNH has been working on several programs and collaboration to help in lowering and controlling the outbreak. This includes participating in the ASQ program, setting up an ARI clinic, opening COVID-19 vaccine center, providing drive-thru RT-PCR COVID-19 tests, participating in the Test and Go program, and more. The International Nursing Conference integrated caring for the person with the COVID-19, other airborne transmission disease, and chronic diseases was created with the aim of an update on the healthcare policy of integrated care for the patient with the COVID-19 infection and chronic diseases, providing knowledge about the management related to the collaboration among various professionals during the application of new normal in Thailand, sharing knowledge about integrated care for nursing practice and healthcare for patients with COVID infection and chronic diseases, call for international collaboration for sustainable education and practice for nurses and health professionals to present and future pandemic. All departments and all of us as healthcare professionals may work together to elevate and create new standards in patient care, including care for the medical personnel coping with the present outbreak scenario, and to effectively deal with the future epidemics.